Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to tell you these beautiful flowers. I like them very much, and it's crocheting so easy, and we can use that almost everywhere. I like that so much. It's so easy. You can see in the video. I give all the details in the video. If you have any questions, you can leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our flowers. I will use for that flower cotton yarns. Okay, and 4mm hook. This is the middle thickness. This yarn has a middle thickness. Okay, not so thin or thick. You can choose every yarn for that which project you want to make. First of all, we will make a magic ring. Make a like this circle, grab the yarn and insert in it, and don't give up that yarns. Okay, chain 1, make 5 single crochet in that space. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then pull that tail tightly. After that, insert the first stitch. Grab that 2 yarns together and we lock that, and we make slip stitch. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we will make 2 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we increase that 10 single crochet. After that, we will make 1 stitch, 2 single second stitch, and we increase it 15. This is first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Third round like that, and the last round we will increase it to the 20. So we will make 1, 1 and the third one 2 single crochet. 1 single, 1 single here and 2 single in the third stitch, 3 and the fourth one, 5, 6, 7 and 8 together, 7, 8 together, 9 here, 10 here, 11 and 12 together, 13, 14, 15 and 16 together, 17, 18, 19 and 20 together, and make a slip stitch, then cut our yarn. We finished our work with that cream yarn. Then take your yarn, which color you want to make. I want to make pink today. This is the same quality but different color. Insert any stitch. Okay, I insert here. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over 3 times. Insert the same stitch. Grab the yarn. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over 3 times. Insert the same. 2, 2, 2, 2. Pull through, pull off your hook 4 times. Yarn over 3 times. Insert the same stitch, grab the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3. This is the first one, and we made after 3. Totally we have here 7. I made here 5, but I think no, I made here 6, but I think 7 is more good. Okay, third, this is fourth one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fifth. One, 2, 3, 4. So we will chain 5. After make 5. What's its name? 3 times yarn over and 4 times pull through. This is the new name. Okay, I don't know its name. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the same stitch. Okay, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Skip that next stitch here. Insert the second, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Skip that and insert the other one, next one, and make one more slip stitch. So after that we will make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of the same after that. Yarn over 3 times, insert the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over 3, insert here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 3, insert here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 3, insert here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we count 2, 5 we made here, the sixth one, and we will chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the same stitch, grab that yarn and make a slip stitch. After that, skip that stitch, insert the next one, make a slip stitch. Skip that, insert the next one and make a slip stitch. Then chain 5 and do the same thing again. Okay, I made that and turn to you. I made the last 5 chain, make a slip stitch here, skip that, insert here, make a slip stitch, and so skip that and insert the first, make a slip stitch, and you can cut your yarn. Finish that flower. I make 2 more flowers. This yarn quality is different. You can see that it's a little bit little, and these are the with cotton yarns. This is 7 double, this is 5 double. It's the difference. It's your choice. You can adapt every size it, and you can use it everywhere. For example, you can join them together and make a shawl or throw or blanket, or you can use that for an applique. You can use them where you want. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your watching. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.